and he's back.
Well, that's what's causing all the problems.
Looks like we don't have any problems yet.
Upper dams, yeah. Montana. Hopefully it'll be gone by the time he gets down there.
Yeah, he's looking at 2 to 3 months before he gets there.
Yeah.
Right on, Church.
Nice. Hey, and look, there's no water in the bottom, is there?
No.
Nope.
I don't see a leak anywhere.
You did good, Church.
That's huge.
That's nice.
No, don't throw the line. Who wants in? Come on.
Yeah, you don't want to get out now.
No.
Anybody? Go.
Come on. I'm not a water baby. You help yourself. I did my stint in the Navy. I had enough water. The rest of my life. Huh?
Landing right there.
Yeah, that's fine. You got it? I know, Brian. All right, we'll do the same thing. Just push off there. No, don't push back. Just go ahead and push off from the side there, Brian.
There you go.
And go on upriver. Go ahead and start paddling.
Well, that was fun.
Good job, brother.
You're kind of a natural at that.
Yeah.
You'll have to paddle with him for a week or a couple of days.
Heck yeah. You can see out on the deck there.
That would be fun. What an adventure, huh?
Cruising down river, man.
Why not?
You could take a couple of days with them and paddle with them up the river.
A couple of days, a couple of months.
Yeah.
Go for a couple of weeks with him.
Pay my bus fare home, eh?
Doesn't look too tippy either. I expect
No.
yeah, listen to him. It's wobbling a little, but not bad at all.
But not
It
bad.
was actually pretty nice. Yeah.
Feel pretty stable?
It's prepared.
Yeah. Congrats, Church. I wasn't sure if we were going to have to nickname it Tippy or Knotty.
Naughty, naughty. I'm so glad for him.
Oh, yeah.
Looks great, dude.
Yeah, stop paddling for a sec. Yeah, she sees the track pretty well, too.
Nice.
Yeah, she does.
Had to go sideways.
Looks like you got almost enough water to go, too, huh?
We're close. I mean, I guarantee you, I got the rocks down here. We'll probably have to get out. But below that, there's good water, too.
Looks good.